Meriden Mountain. What's today? Monday,
27th.
October 27th.
October 27th.
On the top of Meriden Mountain, on the castle. There's Meriden, my dirty little town. And that traffic down there, that's Route 66. Oh, there's a good shot of Route 66 over there, snaking through. All those sad people going home from their sad jobs. We got out of our sad job and went for a walk. It's kind of dark over here. There's Route 66 again. And our proud, tattered flag. Look how many pieces she's missing. All torn apart up here. And over there, that bright light over there, that's the radio towers over there. Woo!